Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good day to everyone. Virtual reality welding simulation kit for learning and acquiring welding psychomotor skills. Myself, Habibah Nurhan Harun, and Chan Visyang will be presenting the slides. Our other team members are Dr. Farhan, Muhammad Ismail, and Muhammad Khalid. The main objective of this project was to develop a cost-effective VR welding kit for delivering psychomotor skills to engineering students and for training purposes. Initially, the target users are online distance learners. However, the current situation with COVID-19 pandemic, there is an increased importance for online learning, more so for courses that require practical hands-on skills. This project seems to be timely. The novelty of this project is in the design and development using cost-effective VR technology. The ability to learn and acquire welding psychomotor skills anytime and anywhere, and also the revolutionized technical and vocational education and training. The creativity is in the integration of the physical and virtual experiences through the use of VR and Vuforia tracking engine. The 3D welding torch, cardboard, a mobile phone, and a smartphone-based head-mounted display set. The innovativeness can be categorized into three sets or categories. The technological value, in the sense that it is easy to set up, does not need complex skills. The devices and equipment are easily available in the market. The convenience in terms of the training, which can be accessed at any location, and everything can be packaged in one set of box. Innovativeness in realism value. The VR welding kit can simulate real welding of the metal inert gas. It can show the whirlpool generation and the auto-decanting effect of the whirlpool. This kit can increase the familiarity and confidence in the students before they do actual welding. The innovativeness in the pedagogical value includes the capability to teach psychomotor skills in welding education, the use of graphical user interface that can act as a guidance, such as maintaining consistent speed of welding, choosing the proper travel angle, arc distance between the electrode and the base metal. The welding performance metrics can be recorded in the system for further analysis as an evaluation tool for the teachers and as a feedback to the students to empower their learning.
Hello everyone, my name is Chan Visyang and I will continue these presentations. Our VR welding kit is relevant to the NALI model. First, the virtual reality is in parallel to the Industrial Revolution 4.0, and it is one of the effective ways for the students to practice welding virtually. And secondly, this is a future-ready learning environment and it can be easily and readily adopted to other learning environments. And thirdly, the VR welding kit is also very cost effective for the distance learning during this current COVID-19 pandemic and also digital technology era. The impact to students' learnings is parallel with the Simpson psychomotor domain's learning objectives. The first is perception. Students can use their sensory cues to guide their motor activities like to adjust the correct welding directions. And second, the set. Students readily respond to a particular action of experience. They can adjust the welding speed, the work angles and travel angles in real time. And thirdly, the guided response. For the beginner students, they can follow the navigation lines as shown in the figure. And fourth is the mechanisms. Students demonstrate certain confidence and proficiency in welds, these three different welding positions. And fifth, after student became a habit, the welding habit, they can complete the task more efficiently, like they can welding it more faster and at a better work angle and accurate weld proof results. And the number 6 is the adaptation. Student can adapt the task in terms of the specific requirements of any given situation, such as they can adapt their body and hand positions for the different welding positions, such as horizontal and vertical welding positions. And lastly, the originations. This is a stage where students is very confident in themselves and they can create a new movement patterns to solve the problem creatively. This is one of the feedback from the experts. They say it can encourage the students to create different wheels, the welding wheels and also waving techniques to complete the welding. Our VR welding kits has a very potential commercializations compared to the existing products such as the VR Tex 360 and Sodamatics in the market. Our system is much more affordable. Based on the calculation of the cost price, our welding kits is cost as much as 1,500, which includes the smartphone and VR headset, compared to the 30,000 plus value as in the VR Tex and Sodamatic. And secondly, our target audience are the polytechnics and vocational college to train the students' psychomotor skills and also to support distance learning. And thirdly, the physical equipment used in VR welding kits is very easy to own. Just use a smartphone and also the 3D printed equipment that is now currently popular in Malaysia. And fourth, from this, the require of smartphone and the VR headset as well as the 3D printed equipment, it can spark a new business opportunities, such as in the manufacturing of 3D printed equipment and also to stimulate other supply chains like the VR headset supply. This is a welding simulations video demonstrations.
always wear a long-sleeved, non-flammable shirt. This will protect your body from a harmful welding spark. Now, please good. Next, always wear long and thick trousers. This will protect your leg from a harmful welding spark. Now, please gaze at the safety trouser on your right. Nice. Next is, always wear leather and close-toed shoes. This will offer protection on the top of your foot. Very good. 2 more equipment to go. Always wear a proper face shield or safety helmet, shielding your face and neck from sparks and UV radiation. Lastly, always wear proper welding gloves to protect your hand while doing the welding. Congratulations! You have been equipped with full welding protection equipment. Thank you. I will teleport you in a second. See you again.
Alright, this is it from us, and thank you very much for listening. For more information, please contact our project leader, Dr. Habibah, at the emails as shown in this slide. Thank you very much again.